Thousands of doctors, researchers, and medical company executives are meeting at the biggest cancer research conference of the year. And this year, there's a big shift in the way cancer is being targeted. Meg Tirrell is in Chicago.
For decades, cancer has been treated with surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy.
But in recent years, major strides are being made in targeting drivers of cancer more precisely. The benefits of that approach were on display at the American Society of Clinical Oncology meeting this week in Chicago, the world's largest cancer research conference.
And that takes us away from the general idea of saying, gee, is it a lung cancer, is it a breast cancer, is it a colon cancer, but instead to ask the question, does the tumor have this DNA repaired?
One major step forward. Just weeks before the conference, Merck received a landmark FDA approval for its cancer drug Keytruda. For the first time, a drug was approved based on an underlying driver of cancer, rather than for the specific location of cancer in the body.
It's the first time that the FDA has approved a therapy across many different tumor types based on a molecular definition.
That same philosophy led to one of the conference's major success stories, Oncology, a young biotech company with a drug targeting a rare mutation driving cancer.
It's really almost a key in a lock phenomena. It's such a specific, dramatic effect that the patients know it right away. They feel better right away. Their symptoms get better right away.
But delivering targeted therapies requires that people with cancer are tested to see what genetics are driving the disease, something Loxo CEO Dr. Josh Belenker says doesn't happen frequently enough.
If there's one takeaway or call to action that I'd love people to hear, which is get your tumor tested. Figure out what is making it tick so that you know what is the right therapy that can be matched to your tumor.
The conference also brought updates in immunotherapy, a new class of medicines that unleash the body's own immune system to better target cancer. And with all the new advances come new potential costs. The price of cancer medicines continued to be a theme at the conference.
There's been a lot of work, including by ASCO, to try and link the prices of drugs and other treatments to how well they work. But there's general resistance to it because, companies, when they have their product, they want to extract as much as they can from it, even if it doesn't provide big benefits to patients.
As cancer care evolves, so too will the question of how to pay for it. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Tirrell in Chicago.